Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make the ears, arms and how to stitch on the face for the bunny. So I'll leave a link in the description for part 1. Okay, and let me know in the comments what outfit you'd like to see on this, if it's a dress or overalls. Okay, so you'll need some cotton yarn, some black cotton yarn for the eyes, either the 3 or the 3.5mm hook, whichever one you chose for the body, yarn needle and some scissors. To start, I'm going to make one of the ears. So make a slip knot, chain 2, okay, and then go into the first chain that you made and make 6 single crochets. Alright, pull the tail tight. In the next row we're going to increase from 6 to 12. So I'm going to do 1 increase in each stitch. An increase is just 2 single crochets in the same stitch. 1, 2. Okay, so 1 increase in each stitch. Alright, once you've finished that row, in the next row we're going to increase from 12 to 18. So 1 single crochet in the first stitch. And 1 increase in the second stitch. So it's 1 single crochet and 1 increase until you get back to the stitch marker. Okay, now that we've increased to 18, I'm going to stop the video here and I'm going to do 3 rows of 18. So just 1 single crochet in each stitch for 3 rows. Okay, so after our 3 rows of 18, this is how it should look. In the next row we're going to decrease from 18 to 16, so we're going to single crochet 7, and then we're going to make a decrease. So through the front loop of the first one, front loop of the second one, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, we're going to do that again, so we single crochet 7, and 1 decrease. Okay, so it's 7 single crochets and a decrease, and you do that twice. Should take you back to the stitch marker. Okay, and then we just need to single crochet 16 around for 2 rows. So just 2 rows of single crochet. Okay. Alright, after you've done your 2 rows of 16, you need to decrease to 14. So 6 single crochets. And a decrease. Okay, so again 6 single crochets and a decrease. Alright, once you've done that, you should have 14. You should have decreased down to 14. So in the next row, just single crochet 14 around. Next, we need to decrease from 14 to 12. So single crochet 5. And a decrease. Single crochet 5. And one last decrease. Okay, so once you've decreased down to 12, you need to do 2 rows of single crochet, so just 2 rows of 12. And in the last row, we're going to decrease from 12 single crochets to 10. Okay, single crochet 4. And a decrease. Okay, again, single crochet 4 and a decrease. That should take you back to the stitch marker. Alright, so now that we've decreased down to 10, I'm just going to go into the next stitch and make a slip stitch. Then I'm going to cut my yarn long enough to stitch it onto the bunny. And pull through. Alright, and don't forget to make 2, obviously. So once you've made your 2 ears, you need to make 2 arms. So make a slip knot, chain 2, and then go back into the first chain that you made and make 4 single crochets. Okay, pull the tail tight, and the next row we're going to increase from 4 to 6. So put 1 increase in the first stitch, and 1 single crochet in the second stitch. Okay, 1 increase in the next stitch, and 1 single crochet in the last stitch. Okay, so it's 1 increase, 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 single crochet. Okay, so now that we have 6 around, let's turn it up a bit. The next row we're going to increase from 6 to 8. So I'm going to put 1 increase in the first stitch, one single crochet in the next 2 stitches, one increase, and 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Okay, so it's 1 increase, 2 single crochets, 1 increase, 2 single crochets. Okay, so now that we've increased to 8, I'm going to go ahead and do 11 rows of just 8 single crochets. Okay, so just 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in each stitch for 11 rows. Once you've done your 11 rows, it should look like this. Okay, and just do the same as the ears, so slip stitch to the next stitch and pull your yarn through. Okay, Now that we've made all the pieces, we just need to stitch them on and do the little face. So I don't put any stuffing in the arms or the ears. And I just stitch them on this row. Just like that. Okay, and the ears I stitch on about the center or a little bit back, and you can decide how close you want the ears to be, further apart. So now that you have your ears and arms on, this is how it should look. Alright, and the last thing to do is the eyes and nose. Okay, so that's how it looks all done. So I just went over 4 stitches and then up one. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.